Are we born blank slates, our personalities and behavior shaped by our environment? Or does humanity share a common core? What is more important, nature or nurture? Like many conflicts, the resolution is in a third option. Both sides win because the answer is nature and nurture. Let's look first at the case for nature. Every person is born with their own temperament. Temperament is part of our personalities and is based primarily on the genes we inherit. For example, some of us smile more often than others. Some of us have a higher activity level than others. Some of us are more bashful than others and struggle to adapt to new circumstances. Some aspects of temperament are challenging to parents and teachers. If we have a difficult temperament, we are not broken. Our temperament cannot be changed. Part of our challenge in life is to come to terms with what we cannot change in ourselves and our children, and to challenge and change what we can. Temperament and our genetic heritage provides a sort of template that interacts with both human nature and the environment. We are going to be different because of our genes, but do we share a common human nature? Do we teach children to walk? Do we teach children to talk? Do we teach children to smile? Do we teach them to enjoy being gently touched and rocked? No, because these things are essentially part of what it means to be a human. What is in our human nature is to crawl, and then stand up to walk, and then to run. What is in our human nature is to use language to form relationships. What is in our human nature is to thrive from gentle, affectionate love. At our birth, we are on a trajectory toward caring. But what is in our nature has to be nurtured by a catalyst that shapes and encourages that trajectory. What happens if no one talks to a child? What happens if no one smiles in response to children? What happens to the desire for love if greeted only by indifference or hostility? Such treatment causes stress. At first, children protest. If cortisol, the stress hormone, continues to rise, they give up and give in to indifference. Then the caring trajectory of our nature declines and fades. The loss of humanity may be found in dead eyes, absent of the sparkle of life, and then in predatory eyes, seething with the injustice of an unnatural, empty life. Conscience and its partner caring can only be caught, not taught. Children learn to care by being in a caring relationship. Convictions, or core principles, give caring direction. Children learn conviction when caring is partnered with an authoritative relationship. What is in our nature is woven with our genes, caring, and conviction to create the fabric of who we are and who we can become.